Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add effects to overlay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you want to add effects to an overlay only, you can follow these simple steps. Once you open the CapCut, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you haven't already, just click the create a new project to begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. As you can see, this is going to be my background and I want to add an overlay. For me to be able to do that, I'm going to drag a video here along the way, and I can move it around here, somewhere in the space of your video. Now, for us to be, if we click on the effects here, say for example, we're going to be using maybe the color flicker. If we drag the color flicker here in our timeline, what will happen is you would notice, I'm going to zoom this out. I'm going to extend the effects. You would notice that the effects affected both of our overlay and the main photo, right? So I only wanted this effect to affect only the overlay, not the background. So for us to be able to do that, I want you to select the effects and the overlay that you want it to be affected. So I'm going to select both by highlighting two of them, and then right click the create compound clip or sub project. The shortcut is going to be Alt+G on your keyboard. If you do, what will happen is they become one single clip with the effects applied. You would notice that the effects only applied to the overlay, not the photo, right? And of course, we can do the same thing with the photo. So I'm going to undo that again. Instead, I'm going to drag the photo here on top. All right, and then with that being placed, I'm gonna select the photo and the effects together. Right click, click the create a compound, and what will happen is we would have an effect that is applied only to the overlay, which is kind of really amazing, right? It's a straightforward process. And of course, you can adjust the intensity, duration, and other parameters by clicking on the overlay clip. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.